Hi, I'm Dentist Tikka, and today I'm revealing 5 simple tips to ensure you never get cavities again. These tips are so easy, anyone can follow them, and they actually work. Stay with me until the end, because if you miss even one of these secrets, you could still end up with cavities. Every single patient who follows these steps has stayed completely cavity free. And now it's your turn. Let's face it, cavities are frustrating, painful, and expensive to treat. But what if I told you that avoiding cavities for the rest of your life is actually way simpler than you think? In this video, I'm going to break down the science behind cavities, share my personal advice as a dentist, and give you the exact tools you need to keep your teeth healthy for decades to come. Master the perfect brushing technique. The first step is brushing properly. Yes, even if you already think you're doing it right. Most people don't brush long enough, skip the key areas, or use the wrong angle. Here's the secret. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and angle it 45 degrees toward your gum line. Brush for a full 2 minutes, making sure to cover all surfaces of your teeth, front, back, and chewing surfaces. And don't forget to brush your tongue. It removes bacteria that can cause bad breath. A bonus tip, if you're not using an electric toothbrush yet, you're missing out. It's proven to clean more effectively than manual brushing. Flossing is non-negotiable. Do you think brushing alone is enough? Think again. Up to 40% of your tooth surfaces are between your teeth, where your toothbrush can't reach. That's why flossing is non-negotiable. Use a clean section of floss for each tooth and gently guide it under your gum line. If traditional floss is too tricky, try floss picks or water flosser. They are just as effective and easier to use for some people. Make this a daily habit and you'll drastically reduce your risk of cavities and gum disease. Use fluoride, your teeth's best friend. Fluoride is like an armor for your teeth. It strengthens enamel and makes it harder for cavities to form. Always use toothpaste with fluoride. It's the golden standard for cavity prevention. If you're prone to cavities or you have sensitive teeth, consider using a fluoride mouthwash for extra protection. Trust me, skipping fluoride is like leaving your house unlocked. It's just not worth the risk. Limit sugary and acid foods. Cavities feed on sugar and acid, so your diet plays a huge role. Cut back on sugary drinks like sodas, energy drinks, and even fruit juices. These are cavity factories. But when you do eat sweets, pair them with a meal and rinse your mouth with water afterwards. If you snack, go for teeth-friendly options like cheese, nuts, or crunchy vegetables. They not only help clean your teeth, but also produce saliva, which neutralizes acids. Do not skip regular dental checkups. Finally, no matter how perfect your oral hygiene is, you need regular checkups. Your dentist can catch early signs of cavities even before they become a problem. Professional cleanings remove plaque and tartar that brushing cannot. I recommend visiting your dentist every 6 months. Trust me, it's worth it. So, there you have it. 5 simple, powerful tips to never get cavities again. Brush the right way, floss daily, use fluoride, watch your diet, and don't skip your dental visits. Which tip surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear these tips. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more dentist approved advice. Together, we'll keep your smile healthy for life. See you next time.